Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question, quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price started off the day compared to where it ultimately closed up there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely had a very nice day today. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce, move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to better illustrate this, I'm going to scrunch up a chart here a little bit. There we go. And that area is right here at 27 cents. Why is 27 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 27 cents. Any sort of closes below it, worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old channel that the price has been trapped down below. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price has a pretty drastic pullback. Not saying this will happen, but just for example's sake, let's say the price pulls all the way back here and then behaves in this manner. What would you have in this situation after, a pretty drastic pullback? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps going in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And on that note, that's why I'm not going to talk about levels of resistance, because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority right now. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidation and building those higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over the long haul, the long-term chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So no doubt about it, very powerful day today to start off the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.